Welcome to Scholars Tutorial, where we make virtual reasoning easy to understand. In this question, we are given a figure next to a vertical mirror line. Among the 5 options below, only one shows the correct mirror reflection. The others are rotated or misaligned version of the original pattern. When a shape is reflected in the vertical mirror, the entire figure flips from left to right. A mirror image is the flipped version of the given image, just like how you look in the mirror. Any blocks appearing on the left side will now appear on the right side in the mirror image. The correct mirror image is option E. It matches the exact left to right reversal of original figure. Let's see why the others are incorrect. Option A, B, C and D don't represent the correct mirror image. Rather, they are rotations of the original image. Option E represents the true mirror image. With Scholars Tutorial, understanding reflections and rotations becomes simple. Keep practicing and sharpen your visual reasoning skills. Age or academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.